Hello, Greg from DeFu. Today we're discussing cybersecurity audits and why they are a critical component of your cybersecurity strategy. Regular security audits allow you to assess the effectiveness of your security measures and identify any areas where improvements are needed. A security audit involves a comprehensive review of your organization's security policies, procedures, and controls. This can include everything from analysing network security and access controls to reviewing incident response plans and employee training programs. Security audits should be conducted at least annually, though more frequent audits may be necessary for high-risk industries like healthcare and finance. One key part of a security audit is vulnerability assessment. This process identifies weaknesses in your systems that could be exploited by attackers. Vulnerability scans can detect issues such as unpatched software, misconfigured devices, and weak passwords. If vulnerabilities are found, your audit report should include recommendations for remediation. Penetration testing is another important element of a security audit. In a pen test, a cybersecurity expert simulates an attack on your systems to uncover potential entry points and vulnerabilities. This proactive approach helps you understand how an attacker might gain access to your network and which defenses need to be strengthened. During the audit, it's also essential to review your access control policies. Check that only authorised individuals have access to sensitive data and verify that permissions are being reviewed regularly. Look for any inactive accounts, especially those belonging to former employees, as these can pose a security risk if not disabled. Another important area to review is compliance with relevant regulations. If your business is subject to industry-specific regulations such as GDPR or HIPAA, make sure your security practices align with these requirements. Many security audits are focused on ensuring compliance, as non-compliance can lead to fines and legal issues. Once the audit's complete, create an action plan to address any identified issues. Prioritise high-risk areas and set a timeline for implementing improvements. Regular follow-ups are important to track your progress and ensure that the recommended changes are being effectively implemented. Security audits give you a clear picture of your organisation's security posture and help you make informed decisions. Tomorrow, we'll cover the importance of building a cybersecurity culture. Stay secure and see you then.